change of government
Okay.
from the parliamentary, from the presidential to the parliamentary government. What is your opinion?
Okay, my opinion,
Oh,
What's your opinion?
there's no change.
there's no change.
Yes.
Declaration, dapat nagsasalita ka.
There's no change.
Declaration!
Oh, para kinakausap mo yung tao.
Yeah, mga tao. Yeah.
Go.
For my own opinion, there's no declamation. Because I don't understand what are you talking about?
Next.
Answer.
It is very easy because this is foreign exchange. The foreign exchange have the question to you. Yeah.
What?
The foreign, the
foreign?
management is like that. The money you change, that foreign exchange.
Foreign. Alam ko na, pinapaupahan mo. Foreign exchange.
No, because our country.
Oh.
Kunyari, kausap mo yung mga tao. Declamation
Okay,
yan.
because our country, it's the president foreign exchange is low and higher than each. The money, it's pesos,
Yeah.
dollars, and Russians, ano pa?
Dapat.
Japan, Australia's,
Mickey Mouse.
Pounds.
no, New Zealand.
New Zealand.
And many people around us is so poor because they change money. Dapat, no.
Speak English.
Speak English.
Okay.
Yes.
What?
Why?
This, what? This is life.
Okay, Mary Battle. May battle.
Okay.
Okay.
Sige.
Higher and lower.
Exchange.
I think our government is having a problem because there's no money in our banknet. Yes, no laughing, please. I'm speeching. Okay?
Sorry.
Because that's why higher and down because our dollar's going in down.
No, it's not true because
Okay yan.
Okay.
Debate to, debate.
Okay.
because our politician is hold money and put their negotiation. Business.
Oh,
And business.
business.
Because our, no.
Tagalogin ako mahirap.
English. Pwede hindi Tagalog.
Yeah, we're good in English and mine is higher than yours. Okay, the Filipinos told us that money encountered higher in leveling. No, it's good to us because our president is good because not good.
Ah, sagutin mo.